Whoa, fancy seeing you here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network. Today, on Just the Tip, we're gonna be going over proper windshield solution. And for that, we're using SureSeal. -20 degrees. When you guys are looking for any fluid for your windshield wipers and for your windshield, you're gonna wanna make sure that you go with something, especially in these winter months, that will keep up with the cold air. Now guys, there's a couple things that we're gonna do today. One, we're gonna show you the location. The last thing you guys wanna do is put your windshield solution or your washer solution in one of the wrong areas. Whenever you're looking for your reservoir, it's right here. It's usually got these little squirt lines, water lines that are coming out in the blue. That's what you're gonna want to go into. If there's not a filter in here, I recommend getting you guys a filter to make sure that if there is any debris in the solution, that's not going in your system, which you can use a filter, but you're gonna wanna go ahead and fill this all the way up. One thing, one tip, another tip of what you guys do not want to do is to put water in here. If you are ever out of washer solution or windshield washer fluid, you never want to go and just pour water in here. What that's going to do is it's going to freeze just like ice, especially when it's cold out. It's going to expand your reservoir. It's going to crack it. It's going to cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So go ahead, get yourself a really good winter washer fluid that's going to keep up with these cold months, making sure that it's not going to freeze in your reservoir, it's not going to expand, it's not going to crack it, but it's also going to do a great job at removing the snow and ice off your windshield. If you guys have any questions, please reach out. Thank you for checking out this tip of the week, and as always, guys, keep shining.